Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bro, local and long-distance movers near me. Shifting long distance is not easy. It demands proper planning and training man-force to complete the move. We are here to support you at every step of the way. Important information, we consider moving and relocating within 50 miles of a city as a long-distance move. As long distance requires approvals, we are certified, have BBB accreditation, licenses, and legal permits provided by local and federal authorities. This helps us complete for outer state and long-distance moves without further checking or delaying. We can promise shifting seamlessly within a given time frame. Usually, people think that they don't need a professional moving company while moving to a nearby locality. Whereas the shifting process is still the same, you'll be required to pack, load, shift, unload, and resettle your belongings. Moreover, handling delicate and heavy items is not as easy without prior experience. So it's better to hire professional movers like 3 Movers. Our movers are trained, have the required equipment, and years of experience to handle all types of products. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.